Good morning. Happy day 5. I'm recovering. I'm sick. I've been sick this whole week, which hasn't been a great start. Almost gave up today, but I'm not. I picked up the vlog camera. We're gonna do a little bit of a reset. I'm calling it reset, refresh, repeat. No, I'm just kidding. I'm calling it reset, refresh. I have a TikTok going on. Let me pause it because it's distracting me. There's a lot happening here that I'm not a fan of. So we're gonna take care of it and then we're gonna take care of ourselves. So I lost my voice after the concert, and so that's why yesterday's video was kind of like a throwback. I didn't film it this week because I couldn't speak. And then we had omakase yesterday. I will insert some footage of. I really plan on filming that whole date. Okay. I couldn't speak. I prayed to God that I would wake up this morning and my voice would be back, and it's back. It's also day 3 of period, which is, well, yesterday was day 2, which was the worst. So day 2, I lost my voice. I was genuinely down bad. I'm also getting tired of my hair, so I'm feeling a little bit of like hair depression because I don't like my hair. When I don't like my hair, I don't want to make any content. I also don't even want to go outside. I just don't like my hair. But I am determined to power through. I'm determined to just gather myself. I've been kind of in a lull this week. We're going to pick up after ourselves. The lady at the sushi place complimented my ise miyake top yesterday, and I felt really seen. Because I did wear my Japanese shirt to omakase for a reason, and so real recognize real. Guys, the honey and ginger have not been helping. They have not been helping. Well, I don't know actually, because I do have less of a cough than I did when I started Vlogmas, but it hasn't been helping as much as I thought. I thought it would disappear right away. I don't know why. In my memories of me being younger, when my grandma would make this for me, it disappeared right away. And that hasn't been the case. It didn't disappear immediately, the cough. And so I've been like, is this a joke? For all of you guys who want our couch, they're like, where's your couch from? It's so cute. Let me de-influence you real quick. Just kidding. I would still get this couch 10 times out of 10, even if I knew this. But I'll show you in just a second. I'm about to vacuum it. I take the attachment off my vacuum and then I attach it to one of these little thingies. And then I vacuum the couch line by line because of the stripes in it. Things get stuck in between and it's hard to brush crumbs off and things because it's rigid. So I'll show. So you see how it's like this, right? So things get stuck in between. I don't know, I try and brush it off. It's hard, it won't move. And even if it moves, it just gets stuck in another line. So I have to vacuum this a bit, which is not that big of a deal, but an FYI if you wanted the couch. This is the one that I use, this little brush attachment. There we go. Now I gotta charge it because it's dead. That's the thing about this Dyson dupe. It dies really fast. I'm sure the real Dyson vacuum cleaner has like a much longer battery life. This one's battery life is so bad. I can't like, I have to be really fast if I want to vacuum the entire apartment because it will die on me really, really fast. So vacuuming is done. I could do the carpet, but I'll do that later when it's all charged again. Up next is to take care of this little section. We have a lot going on. Zales sent me a little tennis bracelet in PR. How cute is this? Oh, it's just darling. It's just darling. I'm keeping it in the box because I want to do a PR like unboxing video. Which you'll know is fake because I've already unboxed it. They sent it to me in this little cute Christmas package type thing. With it came a candle and a little matchstick. I'm gonna put it right here. Next to my other candle, I got this candle at a brand dinner and I was so excited. I was so excited because I've been wanting to try something from Boy Smells for so long. I always see their products and I'm always curious. This is the power of manifestation. These days when I want something, I just wait for it to come to me in PR. Like if I want something really bad and I know it's a brand that like sends PR, I'm just like, oh, they'll get to me eventually. I didn't get this in PR, but I did get it in a brand dinner, which is kind of the same thing. Brand dinners, they typically give you a goodie bag to leave, right? Actually, it wasn't a dinner, it was a brunch. That same brunch, and here's a God wink story for you. That same brunch, I got there and my phone was at like 13%, right? I go throughout the entire brunch. Obviously, by the end of the brunch, by the end of the whole presentation that the brand is showing us, my phone's at like 3% now. And so before I leave, I'm like looking around to see if I can charge my phone because I'm not trying to leave Manhattan to Brooklyn with my phone at 3%. But this brand was genius. They knew this. And so I'm like looking around for a charger. And one of the girls at the brunch is like, wait, look in the goodie bag that they gave everyone. I think they gave everyone a power bank. And I was like, you're lying. I look in the bag, lo and behold, there's a power bank. I unbox it right then and there, plug my phone in. There was another girl next to me who also needed to charge her phone. And we were both just holding our goodie bags and our power banks, like with our phones, just. And I was like, wow, God, you're so good. Also, what kind of genius. That PR team deserved its rounds because they just gave us a power bank. Like that was so necessary, you know, like a bleach and tone, Perfect. And then power bank and a Boy Smells vanilla candle. How perfect is that? And guess what else was in there? Aesop hand cream. The same hand cream that I got at the Aesop event was in the bag. I was like, this is the best goodie bag a brand has ever put together. Another day, another big mug of water, honey, and ginger. When I heal, it's gonna be so beautiful to witness. Thank you guys for being here through it all. I feel like a streamer. Like Vlogmas is making me feel like a streamer because I'm like recording my days and posting it in real time. Like I don't think you guys understand how close this is. It's December 5th. And that's on me because I didn't plan ahead of time. It was like November 30th and I was like, I should probably do Vlogmas this year. Vlogmas isn't a thing that you decide the day before that you're gonna do. Well, if you're me, that's what you do normally. It's a well thought out thing. You have your intro, you have a plan of what the next 30 days are gonna look. I don't have a plan of what the next 30 days is gonna look like, so you guys are along for the ride. Can you guys tell me, are you liking these? I kind of like it. My friend Bianca did like a 30-day video kind of thing last month, and I was actively looking forward to her posting every single day because it felt like every day I had a companion. So let me know if that's how you guys feel. I know it's been a little bit rocky because your companion is coughing every second. I'm cutting the coughs out so you can't hear it. And sounds like this. PR haul. I showed you guys the little the tennis bracelet that I got from Zales, which is actually from my friend Nicole. Her and I worked together at the same PR company, my very first PR job. She was one of the people that made the job bearable. We would kiki all the time. She now works for a different PR company and sent me a little thing. So that was amazing. I'm gonna have to post that on Instagram, shout her out. This is from Madewell. Thank you, Madewell. Ooh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, it's not from Madewell. What's wrong with me? Sorry. It's from Everlane. Everlane. Thank you, Everlane. That's so funny. Madewell did send me some stuff the other day, though. And by the other day, I mean earlier in the fall. This is cute. This is really cute. Like a little green crew neck. I like it. I need more of these for the winter, so thank you, Madewell. Sorry, my brain isn't working. Thank you, Everlane. They kind of feel like the same company, but that's not funny. Everlane, I'm so sorry. I need to put some respect in your name. I'm like, sorry, my brain is a little bit jumbled because I'm not thinking properly, okay? So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Everlane. Up next, we have some pieces from Damson. Damson is like my plug. I have the most fun, whimsical closet right now because of Damson Matter. This top is Damson Matter. So, shout out Damson. Damson. It's a good name. Isn't that the name? Damson Idris. Yeah. I'm going to wear this today. Lucas and I got invited to an omakase, which is funny because last night we went to omakase. We got invited to his friend's omakase tonight. This is the cutest outfit. Okay, let's unbox. How cute. It's giving like Freddy Krueger just a little bit, just because of the colors. But you know what the best part about this is actually? It's reversible. So I could wear it like that. Look at this. I actually just got some like I was feeling down and this top just revived me. How cute is this? Yeah, I'm gonna wear it this way. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the red and gray or the gray and red? This is gray and red. The other one was red and gray. Then I got some jeans. Which is cool. You can never have enough pants. Oh, look at the back. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Yeah, I'm gonna wear that today. This is my outfit. Thank you. This is my outfit for today. I'm eating good tonight. Ooh, look at this book that just... Guys, is this not cute or what? This brown and blue. Literally the color combo for my bed. Okay, but I can't be a walking advertisement for Damson Matter more than I already am. But imagine if I had this like on my nightstand. Oh, matches so perfectly with everything. This is too cute. I wonder what's in the book. Oh. Welcome to your Damson Matter festive manual. I actually have this. I've never worn it because they shipped it to Massachusetts accidentally, or I gave them my Massachusetts address. The tag is still on it because I just got it when I went to Thanksgiving. Ooh, look. My wish list, my gift list, Secret Santa ideas. Oh, that's cute. I have this. Ooh, this is cute. They even have a recipe. I have that. This is so fun. I have this. Festive Film Club. The Damson team's alternative holiday movie recommendations. Of course, number one of my favorite movies of all time, Amélie. If you need a feel-good movie to watch, Amélie is that girl. Amélie is that girl. Past Lives, don't even get me started on thinking about that movie. I'm talking with disgust because it's disgusting how heartbreaking that movie is. Like, I know it's supposed to have like a peaceful resolution. It just don't sit right with me. It's also too real. Like, too real. I haven't seen Portrait of a... I haven't seen the rest. Portrait of a Lady on Fire, Climax, Frances Ha, and Tangerine. I haven't seen these, but honestly, low-key, I could use this as like a little... Vlogmas kind of like guide. Maybe we tackle one of these movies throughout the month, like a movie a week. What do you think? I actually really like this. We could even make this recipe. They've given me so much. My wish list and my gift list. We're gonna fill this out. Don't worry, I'll bring you along with me every step of the way. I'm obsessed with this. We're gonna discard these. Thank you for watching my PR unboxing. See you in a bit.